Hey guys, welcome back to Chaos. Today we're working on a 2023 Outlander V-Twin 850. Yeah, that's a mouthful. All right. So we were just planning on putting plastics on it, radiator, keeping it simple. We weren't gonna do a video on all that, but we were having an issue where there was no power. So you hook up the battery, no power whatsoever. We automatically went straight to solenoid, but we just found out that there is a little fuse panel behind this. You just pull that out, you cut a couple zip ties. You pop that cover off and you have two 40-amp fuses hiding right back there. It's pretty simple. We're gonna zip tie this all back together, get the panels put together, and go for a ride. And I think we're almost done. We did the difficult part. The radiator's installed. We just got all this. We were just trying to back the winch out a little bit to do something. I don't remember what we were doing.
Because we gotta put
the plastic. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we got back the winch off.
Crack it off.
Yeah, that's what it was. Spent like what, 4 or 5 hours trying to figure out what was wrong with the wiring.
Yep.
Yeah, fun stuff.
You can pull that off.
Yeah.
There's the. How's that for it?
All right, let's start putting it back together. Okay, we got it almost put back together. We got the plastics put on, we got the battery wired up, speakers working. It starts up, runs great now. We're working on putting the plastics back together. Got a few rivets and pins fired up. Yay! Hell yeah. So we're working on it, it's almost done, and then we're gonna take it for a test drive. You ready to rip?
Ready.
All right.
Do it.
Okay guys, we just got done putting the hood on. The fenders are all clipped in. You just use these little clips. That's all clipped in. We gotta get a couple little screws right there to hold the front end together. Richie's over there breaking shit.
My foot.
We got the brush going.
And we gotta try to put the brush guard on. It's pretty bent up, if you can see it.
50-50 chance of that.
Yeah, we're gonna try to get it to fit. Okay, we just got it put back together. All the plastics are done. It needs a good cleaning, but everything works. They just got done replacing the, what is that on the bottom you guys replaced? Is that speakers or like a drain thing?
The clip that holds the speaker box down.
Ah, yeah, so the clip that holds the speaker box down. They just got to repairing those. Put some new rivets in it.
Yeah, 'cause it was done.
Yeah, it was busted completely.
Oh wow, yeah.
Watch turning this because that sliced my finger.
All right, so let's go take this thing for a rip.
You ready, Sam?
Pretty much finished. You ready, bro?
Ready.
All right, let's do it. Let's hit it. We just got done fixing it. We're gonna take it for a test drive, and then he can head out. I got mine out. Going for a ride. Everything's running. You gassed up? Good? Yeah, boy. Alright, let's... Safety first! Safety first! Yes, yes. I can't even see him anymore. Oh, it's gonna hurt. Oh, fuck out. Alright, you think it's good?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna wrap this video up, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe. You're gonna see more like this, more rides, more builds. See y'all next time on Chaos.